Alright, welcome everybody. We got some Contenders mega boxes for you guys. Appreciate you jumping in on this one. Should be fun. Hopefully we pull some nice autos and mem cards for you guys. Pull all the big rookies for you. All teams are claimed and paid for, so appreciate you guys jumping in, getting paid up on time. And hopefully we can pull some nice stuff for you guys. We got, again, 4 mega boxes. These are, when they say mega, they mean mega with Contenders. 14 packs per box, 8 cards per pack for a total of 112 cards per box. So we'll see 448 cards total. Feel free to jump in on chat. Let us know who's here and what teams you got, and we will do our best to pull the big ones for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. Mega box number 1. Goldeneye, who you got in this break? Empty box there. Got our 14 packs. Alright, here we go. Mega box number 1. Good luck. Carson Wentz, David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Joe Mixon, Julian Edelman, Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt. We got a legendary Contenders Ray Lewis for the Ravens. Goldeneye's got the Lions. We got Vinman, Bills, Ravens, Panthers. Matt Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo, Khalil Mack, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, and another legendary Contenders. This one's for the Steelers, Mean Joe Green. See how it stars it out? Yeah. Julio Jones, Keenan Allen, Rob Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Zeke Elliott, Sam Darnold, DJ Moore. Looks like we got our first rookie Contenders, Laviska Shenault for the Jaguars. Chargers, Broncos, and the Washington football team in the house. Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry, Phillip Rivers, Ben Roethlisberger, Dak Prescott, and our first round numbers is a big one, Joe Burrow and Tua Tagovailoa. So all of these round numbers inserts, we're actually going to do randoms for these. So we're going to do a random between the Bengals and the Dolphins for this, and we will do those randoms at the end of the break. Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks, and looks like we got our first auto, Rico Dowdle, going to the Cowboys. Rico Dowdle auto for the Cowboys. Another round numbers. This one's going to the Jags, CJ Henderson and Kalavon Chason. Texas Oilers just joined. Let me know what team you got, and I'll let you know if we've hit anything. We're not too far in just yet, but I'll let you know if we've hit anything for you. Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook. Here's another hit, Jake Fromm, rookie ticket. It's a white patch for the Bills. Nice hit for the Bills. And we got an MVP Contenders, Drew Lock for the Broncos. Jags and Texans, we did hit a round numbers. I think you probably saw that one. And then we had a rookie Contenders, Laviska Shenault, that we've pulled as well. Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Leighton Vander Esch, Philip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd, Kirk Cousins, and a legendary Contenders, Brett Favre for the Packers. Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins. There's Patty Mahomes, Marlon Mack, AJ Green, and another round numbers. This one's going to the Jets, LaMichael Pirine, and James Morgan. Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, Rookie of the Year contender, Justin Jefferson. There we go, Vikings. Nice Justin Jefferson. Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, and a winning ticket, Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. This one feels thick enough where it might be our other mem card. Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, Odell Beckham Jr., Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, and there we go, Washington football team, Antonio Gandy golden rookie ticket, that burgundy patch there, and an MVP contenders, Deshaun Watson for the Texans. Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady, Darius Leonard, James Conner, Amari Cooper, Derek Carr. Got an MVP contenders, Patty Mahomes. Nice one for the Chiefs. Daniel Jones, Lamar Jackson, A.J. Brown, Kerryon Johnson, Chris Godwin, Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, and Rookie of the Year, DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, and Rookie of the Year contenders, Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Chiefs had a few nice cards in that box. All right, that'll do it for Mega Box number 1. Here comes Mega Box number 2. Julio Jones, Keenan Allen, Rob Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, and another Rookie of the Year Contenders, Laviska Shenault for the Jags. Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, Tyreek Hill, JJ Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, Sony Michel, and another round numbers for the Jags, CJ Henderson, Clavon Chason. The Jags doubling up on those inserts. Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Zeke Elliott, Sam Darnold, DJ Moore, and another Justin Jefferson Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Vikings. I wonder if we're going to see all the same rookies and inserts in this box. Hoping we get some variety, but I don't know. We got a mem card in this one. Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks. There's a Michael Pittman Jr. rookie ticket for the Colts. Nice white patch there. And an MVP Contenders, Aaron Rodgers, the Packers. Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, Larry Fitzgerald, Austin Eckler, Mike Evans, and another winning ticket, Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady, Phillip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd, and there's our auto going to the Bengals, Khalid Kareem. Rookie ticket for the Bengals. And an MVP Contenders, Patrick Mahomes. Leighton Vander Esch, Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, and a Rookie of the Year favorites, Van Jefferson for the Rams. Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Kirk Cousins, Patrick Mahomes, season ticket, Marlon Mack, and another Clyde Edwards-Helaire Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Chiefs. Seeing a lot of the same rookies. Trying to find some of our quarterbacks. We got Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, OBJ, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, and MVP Contenders, Deshaun Watson. Daniel Jones, Lamar Jackson, A.J. Brown, Kerryon Johnson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, and a DeAndre Swift Rookie of the Year Contenders. All those teams that were hitting in the first box seem to be hitting in the second box as well. Matt Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo, Khalil Mack, AJ Green, Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, and a legendary Contenders, Mean Joe Green for the Steelers. Man, it's crazy how similar these two boxes are. Different autos and mem cards, but all the inserts seem to be the same. I think other than that Van Jefferson that we pulled, we didn't see that one in the first box. Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry, Chris Godwin, Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, and there's that Joe Burrow, Tua Tagovailoa round numbers again. So the good news is we've got two of those now. So the Bengals are going to get one and the Dolphins are going to get one. So we do not have to do a random for that. So congrats to both teams on that. Carson Wentz, David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Phillip Rivers, Ben Roethlisberger, Dak Prescott. Well, we did double up on one of the mem cards. Antonio Gandy Golden, burgundy patch for the Washington football team, and another Ray Lewis, legendary Contenders. Man, this box is almost identical to the first box, with the exception of a few cards. Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Joe Mixon, Julian Edelman, Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt, and of course an MVP Contenders Drew Lock, which we saw in the first box. Alright, throw a few of these up here for you guys on display. Pretty much everything I'm going to throw up here is seems to be a duplicate. Alright, we're halfway through. We got 2 mega boxes to go. Kind of hoping we see a little bit of variety. We don't see all the same cards in these next 2 boxes. I know the Chargers are hoping to see some different cards. Still got to find that Herbie. Packers looking for some Jordan Love. Eagles looking for Jalen Hurts. Haven't seen any of those guys yet. Kerryon Johnson, Carson Wentz, David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Mike Evans, Phillip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Rookie of the Year. Chiefs killing it on the Clyde Edwards-Helaire's. Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Darius Leonard, James Conner, Amari Cooper, and a winning ticket, Michael Thomas. That's definitely different. Julio Jones, Keenan Allen, Rob Gronkowski, Tyler Boyd, Kirk Cousins, Patrick Mahomes, Marlon Mack, and another Mean Joe Green legendary Contenders for the Steelers. Right, we got a mem card in here. Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, another Michael Pittman Jr. rookie ticket, white patch for the Colts, and a Kirk Cousins MVP Contenders for the Vikings. Man, it is crazy how many cards we're pulling doubles of. Melvin Gordon, Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, AJ Green, Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, and another Joe Burrow, Tua Tagovailoa round numbers. This is crazy. We're in our third mega box and we're still pulling the same cards. So we will random this one since we've got 3 of them now. Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Joey Bosa, Chris Godwin, Cortland Sutton, and we got a Tyler Davis rookie ticket for the Jaguars. Auto for the Jags. That's our auto for the box. Tyler Davis, and an MVP Contenders Drew Lock. Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, and Jacob Eason. Have not seen the Jacob Eason yet. The base cards, of course, I expect to see tons of duplicates with those because it's not a huge set, and you get a lot of base cards in these packs. But the inserts, it's crazy how many in the rookies we've seen doubles of. Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, and another round numbers C.J. Henderson, Clavon Chason for the Jags. Unreal. Alvin Kamara, Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady, Miles Sanders, Joe Mixon, Julian Edelman, and another Justin Jefferson Rookie of the Year Contenders. Absolutely insane. Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt, Zeke Elliott, Sam Darnold, MVP Contenders Aaron Rodgers, Dwayne Haskins, Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, OBJ, Tyreek Hill, JJ Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, and another winning ticket, Lamar Jackson. Man. Terry McLaurin, Matt Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo, Khalil Mack, DJ Moore, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu, and another Van Jefferson Rookie of the Year Contenders for the Rams. Daniel Jones, Lamar Jackson, A.J. Brown, Sony Michel, Larry Fitzgerald, Austin Eckler. There's a nice one for the Packers. A.J. Dillon rookie ticket, white patch for the Packers. Not the Jordan Love we're looking for, but that's a nice hit there. And an MVP Contenders, Patrick Mahomes. And last pack, Mega Box number 3, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Brandon Cooks, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley. There's a different round numbers. Clavon Chason and Patrick Queen. Jags and Ravens. We will do a random for that one at the end. Alright, and final Mega Box. Come on, Panini. Give us something different here. Still looking for Herbert. Still looking for Hurts. Still looking for Love. Burrow and Tua, we've only seen the round numbers inserts. We have not seen any individual cards of theirs. Julio Jones, Keenan Allen, Rob Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, and a Patrick Mahomes winning ticket. We have not seen that card yet. Seen a lot of Patty Mahomes in these boxes. Good for the Chiefs. Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, TJ Watt, Zeke Elliott, Sam Darnold, DJ Moore, and a legendary Contenders Peyton Manning for the Colts. Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, JJ Watt, another Jake Fromm rookie ticket, white patch. So doubling up on that for the Bills, and an MVP Contenders Gardner Minshew for the Jags. Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks, and we got Xavier McKinney and Trevon Diggs round numbers. So we got another random between the Giants and the Cowboys. Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Leighton Vander Esch, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, and our auto, Matt Filer for the Steelers. Nice hit for the Steelers, and an MVP Contenders Josh Allen. Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, Juju Smith-Schuster, Sony Michel, Larry Fitzgerald, and Rookie of the Year Contenders Chase Young for the Washington football team. Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins, Darius Leonard, James Conner. Oh, what do we got here? Brandon Cooks season ticket. This is it's not numbered, but it's all speckled. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not. I've not seen a card like this before. I have no idea what parallel this is. Texans got some sort of speckled parallel of Brandon Cooks, but I have no idea what it's called. I'll have to look that one up. It doesn't look like it's numbered though. I'm looking all over the card. Does not look numbered, but I'd imagine that's got to be a pretty good hit. So we'll see if we can find what that is for you. And we got Rookie of the Year Contenders Cam Akers for the Rams. Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady, Drew Lock, Kirk Cousins, Patrick Mahomes, Marlon Mack, AJ Green, and another round numbers, Dalton Keene and Devin Asiasi for the Patriots. Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, Odell Beckham Jr., Amari Cooper, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, legendary contenders Dan Marino for the Dolphins. Say what the odds are for him. I'll have to look it up on the box. Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Matthew Stafford, Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, and a winning ticket, Drew Brees. Daniel Jones, Lamar Jackson, A.J. Brown, Kerryon Johnson, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, and a Rookie of the Year contenders, Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. Nothing. Jimmy Garoppolo, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Chris Godwin, Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, and DeAndre Swift, a rookie ticket, white patch for the Lions, and MVP contenders, Jimmy G for the Niners. Carson Wentz, David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, Ben Roethlisberger, and round numbers Lynn Bowden Jr. and Brian Edwards for the Raiders. And last pack of the break, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Joe Mixon, Julian Edelman, Aaron Rodgers, and there's Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. So last card of the break, we got Jalen Hurts. Unfortunately, no Justin Herbert in that break. All right. Let me set up some randoms here for these round numbers inserts. Alright, so we got 3 round numbers that we're going to random here. The first one, the Joe Burrow and the Tua Tagovailoa. This is actually the third one that we pulled. The first 2 are each going to go, one's going to go to the Bengals, one's going to go to the Dolphins, and this third one we're going to random. And then after that, We will random K'Lavon Chaisson and Patrick Queen between the Jags and the Ravens. And we will do Giants and Cowboys after that. So we're going to go in order of when these were pulled. We're going to use the random.org app. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice here. And the one that was up there before was from our last break. So we've rolled a 5. So we're going to do 5 rounds. And so we've got our contenders. Let's see if I can get it to focus for you. Alright, contenders round number random. The top team is 1, 3, and 5. The bottom team is 2, 4, and 6. After 5 rounds, whoever is in the 1 position is going to get the card. So again, this Bengals are the top team and Dolphins are the bottom team. 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So top team, that's going to go to the Bengals. Bengals are going to get that 3rd round numbers card. The next one between the Jags and the Ravens, we're going to reset. Jags and Ravens. Jags are the top team. Ravens are the bottom team. 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that, again, is going to be the top team, and that's going to go to the Jags. And we're going to reset one more time. Top team is the Giants. Bottom team is the Cowboys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be the top team again. Top team takes all 3. That one's a little out of focus. There you go. And then, so that one's going to go to the Giants. All right, let's do a recap for everybody. Recap of all of our top-loaded cards here. We got the DeAndre Swift Rookie of the Year. Khalid Kareem Auto for the Bengals. MVP contenders Patty Mahomes. Rookie ticket White Patch Michael Pittman Jr. Winning ticket Lamar Jackson. Had quite a few of those. Rookie of the Year Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Rookie of the Year DeAndre Swift. Another MVP contenders Mahomes. There's that burgundy patch, Antonio Gandy Golden, had a couple of those. Justin Jefferson, Rookie of the Year for the Vikings. Rico Dowdle for the Cowboys, rookie ticket signature. Jalen Hurts, Rookie of the Year for the Eagles. Cam Akers for the Rams. Drew Brees, winning ticket for the Saints. DeAndre Swift, white patch for the Lions. There's that Brandon Cooks. I think we're thinking this might be the Stardust. Just not sure how rare it is. I didn't see any odds for it on the back of the box.
It's new to 2020 retail exclusive short.
But it is a short print. And apparently it's new to retail. So I'm not sure. Let me actually, I'm just going to go on eBay and see if I can find any comps for it. All right. Yeah, I'd say I think if it was a bigger player, it would probably be more valuable card. Yeah, people have it listed as the Stardust Parallel Rare Exclusive. I mean, it's selling anywhere from you know, it's around the $5 area, so it's not a huge hit. Unfortunately, it's a really nice looking card. And again, I think if it was a bigger player, probably be a bigger pull. But it's a sweet looking card. That's for sure. The camera doesn't really do it justice. When you see it in person, you'll see how cool it looks. So there's that Brandon Cook Stardust parallel. We got the Jake Fromm rookie patch there for the Bills. Matt Filer auto for the Steelers. Chase Young Rookie of the Year. Another Patrick Mahomes winning ticket. Rookie patch A.J. Dillon. Justin Jefferson Rookie of the Year. Tyler Davis auto for the Jags. Another Clyde Edwards-Helaire Rookie of the Year. Michael Pittman Jr. white patch for the Colts. Round numbers, Bengals and Dolphins. Antonio Gandy golden burgundy patch. That was the second one. Another Clyde Edwards-Helaire. There's that other Jake Fromm rookie ticket. Justin Jefferson Rookie of the Year. And the third round numbers, Burrow and Tua. So thanks again, guys, for jumping in. Sorry we couldn't. It was tough. I mean, when you get 3 boxes that have a lot of the same cards in it, it makes it tough to hit for everybody. Unfortunately, those are the only 4 Contenders boxes we have. Otherwise, I'd probably open another one for you guys. But still some pretty nice hits in there. Unfortunately, no Justin Herbert in there. But we are doing some more football here coming up shortly. We got some Optic that we're doing. We got some Prism. Hoping maybe Select Football will come out this week. Haven't seen it in stores yet, but hoping to pick some of that up and do some breaks for you guys. So definitely looking forward to a lot more football. Again, appreciate you guys jumping in today. We will get all this stuff wrapped up, packaged, and mailed out on Monday morning. And we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Have a good day.